Learn English vocabulary. Listen and watch. On the phone. Using a phone or having a phone conversation. Example. I can't talk right now. I'm on the phone with my sister. I wish I could plus verb. You are expressing a desire to do something. Example. I wish I could swim. From scratch. Has the same meaning as from the beginning. Example. I made the pizza at home from scratch. Follow suit. Has the same meaning as to do the same thing. Example. When the airline reduces its ticket prices, the rest usually follow suit. Foul play. Has the same meaning as dishonest, unfair dealing. He got a promotion within 6 months. Smell foul play. Up in the air. Has the same meaning as not yet finished. Example. The date for the meeting is still up in the air. A thumbs up. That's good. Example. She gave me a thumbs up to indicate that everything was okay. Whole 9 yards. Has the same meaning as everything. Example. I'm going all out for my wedding. I want the whole 9 yards, beautiful venue, live band, gourmet food, and a stunning gown. Go bananas. Has the same meaning as to become very angry. Example. When I accidentally spilled coffee on my boss's important documents, he went bananas and started yelling at me in front of everyone. Live and learn. Make a mistake. Example. I thought I could finish the project in 1 day, but it took me much longer. Live and learn. I should have allocated more time for it. You can say that again. Has the same meaning as that's true, I agree. Example. You can say that again. It took me an hour just to travel a few miles. Do you mind if I plus verb? Example. Do you mind if I sit here? Dime a dozen. Has the same meaning as very common. Example. Those generic t-shirts are a dime a dozen. You can find them in almost any clothing store. Call it a day. Stop working. Example. After working on the project for several hours, we decided to call it a day and continue fresh tomorrow. Hang in there. Don't give up. Example. I know you're going through a tough time right now, but hang in there. Things will get better. Out of hand. It means out of control. Example. The party got out of hand when some uninvited guests started causing trouble and damaging the property. Bed of roses. Easy option. Example. Don't assume that being a successful entrepreneur is a bed of roses. It requires hard work, determination, and overcoming numerous challenges. Miss the boat. Miss the change. Example. If you don't submit your application by the deadline, you'll miss the boat on the scholarship opportunity. Drop me a line. Text me, wrote me. Example. I haven't heard from my old friend in a while. I think I'll drop him a line to see how he's doing. Serene. Very calm. Example. As I stood by the tranquil lake, surrounded by lush greenery and the soft sounds of nature, I felt a deep sense of serenity. Derogatory. Showing strong disapproval and not showing respect. Example. She tells me I'm fat and is always making derogatory remarks. On occasion. Sometimes but not often. Example. He just sleeps over on occasion. Disapprobation. Strong feelings of not approving of something or someone. Example. She feared her father's disapprobation. One-off. Something that happens or is made or done only once. Example. Will you be doing more talks in the future or was that just a one-off? Apprehend. To catch and arrest someone who has not obeyed the law. Example. Last night the police apprehended the suspect. Laden. Heavily loaded with something. Example. The trees were laden with apples. Thank you for watching. If it's really useful, please subscribe, like and comment. See you in the next video.